Inday Sara has matured a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Gemini kasi, matagal mahinog.
Mm-hmm.
Karamihan ng Gemini sa buhay niyo, baby face. So, she's more confident now. I think Inday Sara right now has fully unveiled compared before. Kasi before it was Inday Sara mayor eh. Very limited yung kanyang experience, ano lang siya, local politics. Pero ngayon, kakaibang baptism of fire ito. Kaya nga di ba sinasabi ko, sana Inday will not waste this suffering na pinagdaanan niya. Hindi yung hindi yung pag naging presidente ka, babalikan mo lang silang lahat. That's just vengeance politics. Sabi nga nila, di ba, someday, this suffering will be useful to you. So, ibig sabihin, you are being prepared for something greater. Kasi, can you imagine, yung kakampi mo, binaboy ka. Tapos, for the first 2 years, galit sa'yo ang karamihan ng DDS kasi ayaw mo pang kalasan niyang sila BBM. Tapos, nagalit pa sa'yo yung ibang DDS kasi in-endorse mo si Amy.